Hi everyone, in this video we will introduce you a super convenient tool to help you backup and restore LG V35 in only one-click operation. Single data transfer can transfer data across iOS and Android. Of course, Android to Android or iOS to iOS transfer are supported. You can also backup and restore your phones at any time you want. Furthermore, iTunes and iCloud backups are available to restore back to your phone. Backup LG V35. Launch Single Data Transfer and select Backup to PC function. Connect LG V35 to computer. Wait for singles to sync. Then you can choose the content you want to backup. You can also change the saving path in advance. Finally, click Start Copy to launch the transferring process. Restore LG V35. This time, choose Restore from PC function. All the backups you've made by singles will list on the left panel. You can see the LG V35 backup which you have made earlier was also listed on the screen. Now select a certain backup you want to transfer. You can also clear LG V35's data before copy. Finally, click Start Copy to launch the transferring process. If you like our video, please subscribe us on YouTube. For more information, please visit www.singles.com. Thanks for watching.